What up, guys? I'm posting a quick video to tell you all, sadly, no more full read-throughs on this channel. I don't know why it took me so long to realize this, but reading word for word and showing the entire PDF copy of Griffith's book and all the other physics books I've shown on this channel 100% for sure violates some copyright laws. So I don't want to do this to my boys, Griffiths. It's like plagiarism or something like this. So I don't want to read that through, but it is kind of sad because this is my style of studying. Like, I don't know how to just give a lecture on quantum mechanics. I'm still studying the subject, so my style is to read the chapters word for word, record it, and as I'm recording it, I'm literally speaking out the words, so it's getting into my brain a little bit. Then, of course, I edit. I have to remove some sneezing and coughing and shit like this, so I see the content twice during the process of editing. And then when I post it, sometimes I listen to it in the car, sometimes I watch it again, 2x speed to see how it looks. So each chapter, each piece of content from the books is getting into my brain 3 times. It very, very nicely solidifies what's going on. And if I ever forget something, it's on YouTube, so I could just go check it instead of reading the book. This is very nice. So typically how I study is just learn some of the content, the theory, repetition 3 times, even more, and then slam some problems. It seems like I'm gonna have to tweak it. I've done a lot of 7-minute summaries, full read-throughs on this channel. I cannot do this anymore. I don't want to violate some copyright laws and in the future have to take these videos down. And it's also unfair, these guys work hard on their book, and for me to just put it on YouTube for free, it's not nice, it's not fair. So I'm gonna try to do, obviously, like, quantum mechanics as a field is not copyright, so I can talk about Schrodinger equations, show it on the screen, stuff like this. But I'm gonna have to make my own notes, so I will try to do this, and maybe it's actually gonna help because, I don't know, the full read-throughs might be a bit boring for some people. It's just me reading a chapter for like 40 minutes. So I will do my own notes, maybe Notion, maybe I'll even share the notes with you guys, and then we're gonna keep slamming some problems. So quick little video. Disclaimer, if you like the read-throughs, I'm sorry about this, but I really recommend going through and reading the book for yourself. What I've been trying to do with the read-throughs is show you guys that reading this shit is not complicated. It should be challenging. You can just read it. Even if you don't understand it, at least reading it gets you assimilated and immersed into the subject a little bit. After reading it 15 times, you're going to get the content 100%. I mean, of course, there's problems, there's challenges that you have to do, that you have to overcome. So that's that. But keep doing your read-throughs. And if you have any questions, let me know. But no more read-throughs. I'm probably still going to read Griffiths because he writes very well. But I will convert my own notes, my own ideas, and I'll share that with you in future videos. Thank you, as always, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, summarizing the time-independent Schrodinger equation for all potentials. We just did the free particle. We're going to do the finite square well and the Dirac delta function potential. And then we'll summarize all of that and we'll start slamming some problems. I'm sorry I haven't posted any problems. I know problems are very nice. I love problems. So we're going to do some problems, probably on a blackboard, on a whiteboard, on an iPad, on a piece of paper. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have questions or recommendations for different styles of lectures, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.